Hey everyone, this is going to be for all, like for everyone. General read, of course, but for all. And sending you love all the way from planet Earth. Namaste. Let's start. I'm on Instagram, SSHE, LLS, as Shells Running. Also, you may support the channel via PayPal and via UPI ID. That's mentioned in the description box below. My Gmail is also there. So connect with me. There's a new venture coming. There is something connected with opportunity, but of work or something, financial as well, of course, growth I see. And it's going to be something very, very lucky for you, turning in your favor. Okay, you're going to be satisfied with what is coming in your life. For some of you, this is emotional acceptance because new venture, of course, but new love is also coming in your life. Okay, that is going to be so profound and so loving, and this is going to give you that complete aura, like you are going to feel complete with this person. Okay, because they are very sincere about you. Um, okay, let me see. Okay, what did I cut the? What happened? Something happened. Twists and turns. All right. So let's see what is coming for everyone out there. The first card that's going to flip is going to bring that change. Whether it's person, whether it's something coming, okay? But there is something new. And something that's going to feel new as well, okay? If it's been some time. The connection I see, okay? This is also the card of maybe. You may be feeling like a maybe. What is going on? You're watching or someone is watching you. And this is about the look, this is about connection. This is about online connection. This is about emotional connection. But it's right now giving you, to be honest, it's right now giving you that stormy situation, that it's connection or something that is coming in your direction. It's giving you that vibe of like, it's confusing. It's, you don't know what to choose, what not to choose, or should I choose this? But there's going to be like, okay, there's going to be something that maybe you've connected with few energies, you might have talked with them. Doesn't necessarily mean deep or something, but what I mean here is that when you are looking to this particular connection that is going to happen, or the talk that is going to happen, you're going to be getting that flashback of what you talked with other energies, or how it was, because it was absurd, it was shitty, it was a pattern. They were like really like bad, some were sneaky, some were thieves, some were not good, poisonous, okay, things like that. It was like many people tried to lure you. But what I see here is that so many exclamations, and after so many question marks, there's one possible cup, one thing that is going to uh, take your attention. Like they want your attention basically, and it's yet to be revealed that what they feel for you, because it's hidden, but it's something that is on alert. It's something that is trying to grab your attention. There's going to be, so that's why it's all the energy of maybe. There's going to be possible a Scorpio, a listener, a dealer. Um, so there's going to be a secret connection that is yet to open. There's this masculine, however, this could be feminine, but there's this masculine energy seeing you, watching you, social media possible. Now, there's also a visual thinking, okay? You might be feeling, because this connection going to happen, but you might be feeling that this is something illusion or an illusion, okay? There is also purpose to this search, this thing or this situation that is going to happen. Look at this, that you have the moon, so there could be a Piscean listener or a dealer. Like you're right now in the zone of like, no, I'm not going that way, okay? But there's a mystery, and or this maybe it's a, let's take these words, okay? Maybe some of you might be feeling that, like there's anxiety of something, or there's fear of something in subconscious, okay? But there's going to be selflessness in this connection. So right now, if your situation is like this, little blurry, you don't know where the situation is going, but there is a connection I can see. Yes, but it's full of mystery right now. Maybe for them, your mystery goes vice versa or mutual. There's this message I'm hearing right away. I hope we will see each other soon. Okay, this is from this person, and I was shuffling and I stopped here. Okay, so the Knight of Cups. Knight of Cups is coming. Someone is coming forward, stepping ahead in your life. Your energy is really fluctuating. Why? Because you have dealt with so much of shit already. or shitty energies, that you don't believe whatever being or whatever is coming out of that tornado. Okay, so yes, something is coming. You don't believe, but what is coming is what is hidden. What is trying to grab your attention is this cup, is this love from this person. There's a, for some of you, 101 person, maybe a masculine is listening to me, he, him energy, or he, him is coming towards you. Some of you, okay, the sign is Aries as well, or a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, listener, or a dealer. There's an, oh wow, there is going to be expression coming, okay, expression of love, dedication from far that is coming. They are going to connect with you online. There's a very much of a maybe that is going to turn in a yes. You're going to be sure, a little bit get sure of or about this situation, even if it's just 50%, you're going to be. And there's going to be expansion of this particular love idea, okay, the first stage of completion. Wow. Some of you are going to be grabbing an opportunity overseas, and this is work related, but I just don't want to go that way right now. You also have just here, okay, I'm going to shuffle, but this is something coming as, again, yes, and a Virgo sign, but this is something connected with a reward, and it is also someone who is entering in your life, okay. I feel like very strong there's someone you're going to end up talking. This he, him energy is coming, okay. Their life is cluttered right now very much because of, if you don't know, just to let you know, provide you the information, this person is really cluttered up in their life right now. Home, work, if not work, studies, if not study, some things like that. What is coming in future? They're not going anywhere. They're going to be hanging in with you, even if there is like some kind of busy schedule or busy things, or some kind of little bit of, that's what I'm hearing, disturbance, some sort, but it's not going to be permanent, okay. You people are going to resolve this. A very solid offer is ahead. What is coming? Souls and spirits, give us the message. Okay, there is communication coming through. There is Knight of Swords, so there could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, possible, a listener or a dealer. You're going to hear from them, possible. This is a very much yes energy. This is someone who is, okay, also very specific, Capricorn and Aquarius, of course, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, but Capricorn as well. I feel like this is someone who is action oriented and they're driven by you as well. And there's something that they're thinking very fast. Okay, so they're going to connect with you, but let's see. Oh, so they're so much, so caught up. They are caught up. Oh my. So if there is someone specific, Gemini, okay, you're dealing with, and no matter whose sign is whose, but if you are dealing with a Gemini, also an air sign, someone who is caught up in your thoughts, they're thinking that they're going to lose you, but you're sitting in their mind like literally using Fevicol or something like a glue there, okay. There's a chair for you, permanent there, okay. So yes, they are manifesting you. They have some very strong decisions, okay. You might be dealing with someone who's a business person or just like that, but you're sitting in their thoughts. They're entrapped. They need to talk to you, and they are going to connect with you. Someone, they does, and they are going to do it. What is coming, peekaboo, in the future? Am I too fast in reading today? Oh my god, they're in love with you. I'm not going to take this. Though, souls and spirits, okay. Oh my. So, the extreme of their emotions, what they so want to tell you, they're keeping it to self right now, but they're going to open soon. Maybe they're an introvert. So, what is the message? Okay. Now, here you go. The reverse of this is like, actually good, actually. Actually good, actually. There's going to be actually happening many things, okay, sudden, out of the blue, unexpected, in your life. This, okay, let me give you the signs. Cancerian, or water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. So actually this reverse is good for you, which is like sudden awareness. Someone is going to be so much in like, oh no, I have to talk to her or him. I feel like this is a masculine energy, though could be any, okay. Okay, so sudden awareness is coming, choosing happiness, acceptance is coming. Um, they know that you might be withdrawing or there's a withdrawal energy, but they can't take it. Checking in for realignment. So someone is coming around. So actually looking at this as reverse is good idea. So I think I took a good deck today. What? How can you say this? Someone can say, how can you say this? And now I have to stop. Okay, I have to stop for you. Someone going to stop for you. Stop. Literally. Stop in your life. Like they're stopping in your life. They found you. Someone just found you, and that is it. Let's see what is with this. Oh, someone is trying to hide their jealousy. They're jealous. Why these two cards? Why are you giving me these two cards? No, why? So they're jealous, okay, but they're trying to hide it. They are concerned, but they are not showing that to you. They're putting on a facade of like, no, I'm not at all concerned, okay? But it's like the energy of facade of concern. But whatever they are doing right now, yes, they are concerned for you. Even if it feels though that they are not. This person so want to hold you, okay? They do. They're not showing you the real face, but they are. So this card flipped, so I want to give you that message. They are concerned, they have sincerity, and they are not having any ulterior motives. Okay? No. So if you have this question of like, do they have ulterior motive or something bad? And no, you are in their mind. They know that they like you, they know that they love you. Jealousy issues, they are such a jealous person because they don't want anyone to be around you, okay? But they are not showing that, okay? How you want to take this? I want to take this the way they came. Is that the way? Yes, that's why. That is the reason that we hold the deck, we shuffle it, and it's kind of coming out so soon. So soon. Something is coming in light so soon. So, unexpected revelation. You see this after this? You might be saying that you're not concerned, but they are going to say, yes, I am. Okay? They are jealous because they don't want anyone around you. Okay, what I'm seeing looking at this card is like just you and me. Okay, so a shocking revelation will change your perspective about someone. Let's shuffle it. See it what's coming. What is coming for all? What is coming for all? Oh, okay. Okay. I just want to stay quiet. Shh. I just want to stay quiet. Well, you have a public exposure. Someone is in public eye. You may be, both of you, who knows? But if you are in, you'll know that. If they are in, you'll know that. Private matters could be exposed. Someone want to keep everything between you and them. And the reason is evil eye. And the reason is they don't want things to go bad or something. Okay, so what is that is so main about this situation is confession. Someone is about to tell you, like, you are like my bouquet. You're my ultimate happiness. And they are so crisp and they're so well prepared. It's in their eyes. Okay, it's in their eyes, the way they look at you. Someone is about to confess their true feelings to you. And it's going to come as a breaking news. Okay, it's going to be breaking news in your life that confession is coming. It's like more appealing title is like breaking news, confession. Wow. A surprising revelation will shift your perspective. You have perspective energy, a shocking revelation, a surprise revelation. Because looking at this particular card, I feel like someone is going to land in your emotional circle, like a heart. They so want to open your heart, okay? But it's locked, but they are coming with confession. It's not just lust, passion, and all that stuff. It's like everything. They want peace with you, they want love with you, they want to be your friend even, okay? So someone is about to confess their true feelings to you, and it's going to be surprise, surprise, okay? Take care and see you soon. Bye bye.